Hey Rangers, got a quick video here to help you check your heart rate. I'm going to have you check 3 different heart rates. Your resting heart rate, your exercise heart rate, and your recovery heart rate. Okay? Resting heart rate represents before you exercise. Exercise heart rate will represent what your heart rate would be while you were exercising. And then your recovery heart rate would be your heart rate for 3 minutes after you've finished exercising and you've rested for 3 minutes. All right, so real quickly, you're going to need some way to measure the time to find the seconds. I'm going to want you to time 30 seconds when you're checking your heart rate. And then you're going to need also to measure 3 minutes for when you go and check your recovery heart rate. So here's what you're going to do. You have 2 ways to do this. One could be by checking what's called your carotid artery, which it would be up here on your neck. You're going to use these 2 fingers, right or left hand, doesn't matter. And you're going to hold it up next to your Adam's apple, all right? And you should feel a slow beat pulse coming from your artery in your neck. If you cannot find that, you can also do it here on your wrist. You're going to want to make sure your arm is sitting flat on a table somewhere or resting comfortably. And you're going to take these same 2 fingers that you tried with your neck, and you're going to put them right on the thumb side of your wrist and press gently, and you should feel that pulse beating right there in the artery that comes into your hand. Okay? Don't check it until you're sure you have the pulse, especially on your resting one. That's probably going to be the hardest one to find. But once you have it, count for 30 seconds or count during the 30 seconds. And when you get at the end of 30 seconds, that's your number. You want to multiply that number by 2, so it represents 60 seconds. And that will give you your heart rate, resting, exercise, or recovery. All right? And then take that information and fill out the questionnaire that'll be on the Google Classroom page and return it to me each time you do it. All right, good enough. Enjoy your exercise. Go Rangers.